Hello guys, this is Bruce from This and That and Other Things. Today we are working on this. '77 Corvette. I've had this for a good many years and it's time to do a little repair on today. So we've developed a leak in one of the frost plugs. So we're going to change the frost plug, and it happens to be in a awesome location. Let me show you. All right guys, so we're underneath the car, and here's the awesome spot that this problem has arisen. See that right here? That is what you call a motor mount, and behind there, I don't know if you can see it, that is where the frost plug is at, right behind the motor mount. So I've got to take off the motor mount in order to get to that frost plug to replace it. Oh, what fun this is going to be. Hopefully it's not going to be as bad as I think it is, but I'm sure what I'm thinking is going to be the real deal. So let's get after it. First off, we are draining all the antifreeze out of the car, and then I think I need to pull that plug too as well to drain the rest of the antifreeze that's in the block loose. I think that's the case. Hopefully, I'm not sure, but I guess once I take that out and see what comes out of there, hopefully it's water. But it might be an oil drain, but we'll see. We'll probably try doing the frost plug without doing that plug, because hopefully all the water will get out. We're going to probably drop the lower main radiator hose in order to get all the water out that I can out of the block. So anyway, that's the fun. Stay tuned. Alright, we got the bottom bolt out. Of course, that was the easy one. Here is the hard one. Just stuck way up here. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Way up here by the fuel pump. So that's a little more difficult. So I got myself long extension with a swivel socket on it, so we'll see how that works. If we get that one out, then the last one should be fairly easy. Alright, so I got the mounting engine mount out, and if you're wondering, there's the one part where it was really close. I had to end up using this tool here on my extension. It's a little swivel socket. It's a 9/16 head bolt. So just so if you are wanting to attempt this yourself on a 350 Chevy Corvette, that's the size of the bolt. So there's 3 bolts that hold that on there. So I got that out, and now we're going to attempt to punch that plug out. So from what I've read and watched, because you know you believe everything on the internet, all you need to do is punch that out and slide a new one in there. So but we'll see how this deal goes. Okay, to start the process, as you can see, I still had antifreeze in my block, so I'll have to wait for that to drain out. Alright, so I got the seal broke loose and the rest of the antifreeze leaked out. So now we're going to go ahead and attempt to remove the rest of the plug. And I'll probably not show you guys how I take this out because I don't have a place to put this camera, but we'll just show you what it looks like after the fact. Well guys, things did not go as planned. So this is probably going to be a part 1 series of something that should be simple to do. But we're going to end up pulling this engine in order to fix this. It has leaked and rusted so long that that plug will not come out. So in order for me to get that out, I'm going to have to pull the engine where I can get at it, work with it, and get that out and get it replaced. And guess while I'm doing that, then I just will take care of some other leaks that I've got going on. Alright guys, so I don't think I get to pull the engine after all. So I have some PB Blaster. I'm not being sponsored by them or anything, but I tell you, this crap works. It was my last ditch effort in order to get this thing out of the engine block. So I sprayed it last night and let it sit all night long and worked on it this morning, and lo and behold, it came out. So kudos to the PB Blaster stuff. I knew it was good, but I didn't think it was that good. But it sure did work on this deal. Well guys, it's the next day, and so I'm going to get this frost plug put back in the Corvette engine. So again, here is the old one, and here is a kit that I had to buy because for some reason our local O'Reilly's and our AutoZone did not have any stock of individual frost plugs. So I had to buy a whole bag of these things. So I would think there's going to be one that's going to work in here. So we're going to find it and get it installed. Okay, so I'm kind of going off some other videos, and so everybody's is using this red RTV silicone high temperature gasket maker to go around the edge of this, which probably kind of makes sense. So I had to kind of knock it out with a screwdriver since it was pretty rusted. So if there's any scratches or anything, this gasket maker should fill that in and make sure we have a good, nice, tight seal. I'm going to wait and put this on when I get underneath the car, I guess. So hang on. Alright, down here in the shade car mechanic position, laying straight on the floor underneath the car. So we're going to put a little bit of this stuff on there. This and this. So I kind of test fitted it already, so it is the right one. Get this stuff on here. And I don't have to put a lot on here. Just enough so we feel anything that would happen to be a scratch or something that maybe wouldn't seal, that this would fill up. So all right. Well, I think I got it. I know you guys probably, I didn't do a very good video of it, but there we go. And then we're going to put this inside of that, and then we'll press against this to get it pressed into place. Right, to get this in here crooked. Okay, turn the camera around. All right, guys, I got it in as far as I can get it with the cramp quarters that I have. Hope to God that it's going to stay in there. It sure to hell doesn't want to go in any further, so I hope to hell it doesn't want to come out. So let it dry overnight, 24-hour dry time. Put the fluids in it tomorrow, cross our fingers, and hopefully all is good and it holds water. Stay tuned. Well, guys, the antifreeze held and all is well in that world. So plug is seated and everything's holding. So now it's on to the motor mounts. So apparently I needed to replace the motor mounts as well. So this is the new motor mount. Everything is as it should be. This is the old motor mount. Quite not what it should be. So I wonder how long this has been broken. But, so I guess it's probably a good thing that we took this out. And so now we're going to put the new one in. So we'll get this put in, and we'll probably be wrapping up this video shortly. I probably don't need to go into details of putting the motor mount in. If you guys are car guys, you've seen it before. So, but anyway, it was kind of fun and frustrating making this video. Okay, so it was fun making this video, and it was fun and frustrating, but when you work on old stuff, it's very seldom anything ever goes as planned. So any of you car guys out there that have worked on these old cars, you know what I'm talking about. There's always something that doesn't quite go as planned. So, but anyway, we got through it. We got everything put in. We're going to be putting the motor mount in, and then we're going to call this video done. So, you know, it wasn't exactly a how-to video, but you saw a little bit of the stuff that to deal with. So if you have a Corvette and or any car that probably has a 350 Chevy block in it and uses an engine mount that's like what I got, and you got a freeze plug that's bad, that's where it's at, right behind the motor mount. So hopefully you'll have better luck than I did when I had to replace mine. And we'll see you on the next video. Who knows what it's going to be, but we'll figure it out. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Leave a comment if you like. Until next time, out.